Imagine earbuds that do more than just play music. What if your earbuds could record meetings, transcribe phone calls, and even translate conversations in real time? Meet the Viaim RecDot wireless Bluetooth earbuds, your new AI-powered audio assistant. Hey friends, today we're diving into something seriously cool, the Viaim RecDot. These aren't your average earbuds. These are like Siri, Google Translate, and a transcription service, all tucked inside your ears. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Inside the box, you get the RecDot earbuds, a sleek charging case, USB-C cable, and some extra ear tips. Everything feels premium. The earbuds are lightweight, just under 5 grams each, and that case, slick, pocket-friendly, and smart. Now let's talk features. First up, live transcription. RecDot records and transcribes calls, meetings, and podcasts right from your phone. You can even connect it to your favorite video conferencing apps. We tested this in a Zoom call, and it nailed the transcription. Seriously accurate. And yes, it transcribes video content too. Watch a video, get real-time subtitles using picture-in-picture mode. That's game-changing for content creators and students. Whether you're in a boardroom or at a cafe, RecDot captures conversations with clarity. Just wear the buds or place them in the case. It has a pickup range of up to 7 meters. And get this, while it transcribes, it can translate in real time into 15 different languages: English, Chinese, Spanish, Korean, even Arabic and Cantonese. Perfect for travelers and multilingual teams. Plus, it identifies speakers. So if 2 or 3 people are talking, the app separates who said what. Great for interviews or podcast editing. See that red dot on the case? Press it to instantly record, even without your phone. The audio gets stored directly on the earbuds. Super handy if you're in a rush. After a long meeting, RecDot's AI assistant summarizes key points and generates action items. Yes, it even handles your to-do lists. And don't think all this tech means bad sound. These buds pack an 11mm titanium-coated driver for crisp highs and deep bass. Certified high-res audio with support for LHDC at up to 1,000 kilobits per second. We tested music, calls, podcasts. The audio is fire. Battery life, 9 hours on a single charge. Up to 36 hours with the case. 20-minute charge gives you 70% juice. Wired or wireless, your call. Active noise cancellation up to 48 decibels. Triple mic setup with bone conduction tech. IP55 rated. Sweat and rain resistant. So, are the Viaim RecDot earbuds worth it? If you're someone juggling meetings, content creation, calls, or global clients, absolutely. These aren't just earbuds, they're a productivity powerhouse. Listen smarter, work faster, speak globally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What would you use RecDot for? Check the link in description for pricing and the current 5% off deal. So, this is it for the video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more unboxing and review videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. This is MHD Tech. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.